Yeah, so there's been a little bit of a failure. Oh, and yeah, sorry I haven't been posting in the past 2 weeks. Honestly, every day that I don't post, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about you guys. So if you're not following me on Twitter, follow me there. We're gonna do a little housekeeping tonight. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. I have a sponsorship coming up. Well, not really a sponsorship, but a partnership, we'll call it. And that is gonna be with Ronin Factory. I'll have my discount code in the description below, Jeebs-Shift. Go ahead and type that in, that'll save you 10%. And I have a really nice partnership and video coming up with him, but yeah, we gotta go clean my car. Let's go do that. One of the most recent things I did to my car was upgrading the shift bushings. I think I told you guys about that. It is crazy how much of a difference it makes on the ST. If you drive an ST, you know how nice this thing is to shift, and if you've driven an ST, you know how nice this thing is to shift. Everyone that has driven my car always compliments the shifter and the feeling. So imagine making it feel even better and more sportier and notchier. That's what this shift bushing does, and that is what you get the discount code for in the description below, as you can see at the bottom of your screen. So I'm gonna have a whole separate video focused on that, but I just wanted to get that out there, make you guys aware of the discount code, because, you know, if you are thinking of upgrading that, I would hope you choose this one, plus you get my opinion on it before you buy, and I'm a trusted advisor. That's one thing of housekeeping. The next thing is that this car is filthy and a tire, well, I'll just show you. Skid all the way up the hood of my car and over the roof. Now, luckily it didn't do anything to the roof, but the same thing happened in almost the exact same spot on the hood of this car. So I'm gonna get the car professionally detailed, because that's just something, the car just needs professionally detailed. I am a moron and don't know what I'm doing. Well, I don't know what I'm doing to a point. I'm okay at detailing. That's one thing of housekeeping. So now, but let's get the car clean first. So what is this major failure that is causing me to go into the dealership for a major warranty claim? Well, to find out, we have to pop the hood. And you know how like the hood in this thing is ow. God damn it. All that pain I just went through, burning my hand on this, lifting the 400-pound hood, it's gonna be eliminated soon. I have a company that's gonna be sending out those nice hood jacks or stands or whatever they're called, hydraulics. They're gonna be sending those out, and they also custom painted them Kona blue, and I think they did a run of them. So if you have a Kona blue Focus ST, stay tuned, because they're gonna be a custom painted ones of those. I'm gonna do an install video, and then there might be some kind of discount code for them, not totally sure yet. But the major failure, this right here. Broken, car's totaled. I'm screwed. Yeah, this is obviously a major failure. You know, they say Fords are known for unreliable cars, and they're right. They're right. This, you know, the car doesn't work now. Miles per gallon, busted, everything's broke. So, car's totaled, and I'll be trading it in tomorrow. Gonna get an Accord hybrid. Just conform to society. Obviously, I'm kidding, but this is covered under warranty. That's been the biggest thing I've had to do for a warranty claim so far after 31,000 miles on the Focus ST. So I will have to take that in. It's a $17 part, believe it or not, but luckily it is covered under the manufacturer warranty. I'm gonna take that in and they're gonna fix it. Also, interested to get your feedback on this. When I was doing the shift bushing install with my buddy Bradley the other day, he noticed that the coolant levels were below the minimum here. So you can see the max is here, the min's there, and this orange stuff is, maybe you can see it down in the bottom there. So it's a little bit low, and it moves back and forth through the radiator. So you know, maybe it is okay, and maybe just because the car's been running and it's really hot, but for it to be that hot and running low, that kind of worried him. And I even noticed it was going down, so I don't know if there's a leak in the head gasket or something like that with what happened with the Focus RS. So I'm gonna get that checked out next Wednesday as well, and I will let you know as soon as I get more information from the dealership. So yeah, sorry for the clickbait, but I just thought it was kind of funny. If you didn't think it was funny, please like the video and share it with your family, friends, and lovers. Yeah, that's kind of it right now. Just got it cleaned up. Because it's 102 degrees outside right now, it's kind of hard to wash a car unless, it would be so much easier if I had a house in soft water, but I don't, unfortunately. When it's 102, you have to continually be spraying the car and making sure that you're keeping it wet, because otherwise it dries immediately. So you can't really see right now, but I have to go over the whole car in quick detailer to get the water spots out of it. So I'm gonna do that, and I think we'll be good to go. Also, kind of a funny thing that happened recently is I ordered a detail off of Groupon, which was my first mistake. It said there was a wax and everything, so I was like, oh, wax and all this stuff for 60 bucks, that's a hell of a deal, so I bought it. I was texting the guy of setting up the appointment. I'm like, what kind of wax do you use? Is it hand wax? He's like, honestly, it's just a spray wax. You shouldn't legally be allowed to write you're gonna wax someone's car and it's a spray wax. Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna hopefully get a return on that. If not, I'll just give that to my fiance and let her use that, because this girl right here does not deserve a spray wax. She needs clay and love with hands. That's the update. I am gonna be having some giveaways coming up. I have 2 sets of extra shift bushings that I'm gonna be doing a video on. Gonna be giving those away to you guys. So that'll be really nice. And this upgrade, like, I'm really excited for you guys to actually start purchasing and installing it, because it feels excellent. So very excited for that. Again, the discount code is at the bottom. Just doing a little detailing here tonight. Again, like I said, I have this bottle of distilled water, and you can see here how you get some dry marks and spots and everything on the tire or on the wheel. So basically I just spray this on, get it wet again, and then just clean it all up. Because there's really not much brake dust on these wheels. In like the 13, 14 STs, I think they changed the brake pads, and I always saw dust on the wheels. That could also have to do with the fact that they're Rado gray now compared to they were like a more super silver color. So maybe that has something to do with it. But these wheels don't get that dirty, and it's kind of nice, easy to maintain. Again, the tires have been excellent, as you can see there. If you're not familiar, I got the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, matches the 235/40 18 spec, so the OEM spec tire, fit right on there. They look great, they handle great, they're quiet on the road, all that stuff. Just wanted to get a quick video out there for you guys. Honestly, I do think about making these videos all the time. I think about your comments. I'm constantly checking the comments, trying to get back to as many people as possible, because it's really like a creative outlet for me. I love, you know, coming and making these videos and thinking up new ideas, because, you know, you go into your job every day and everything is set up. So if you do this and this and this, you will make money, and it's simple and it's streamlined. And I don't really like that. I like risk. I like trying to figure out how I'm gonna make my next dollars. This is a nice creative outlet to be able to do that. But I really appreciate all the positive feedback. We just hit 7,000 subscribers, so again, I appreciate that as well. On to 8,000, let's go, let's get there. But yeah, thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, throw them in the comments below, and we will see you next time.